In this video, I will show you step by step how you make money with affiliate marketing using Pinterest. I made $12,105 just in 22 days. Okay, I made this commission from the first day of April, okay, until the day 22 of April. I made $11,105. Okay, and in today's video, guys, I will share with you which affiliate links I'm promoting on Pinterest. I will share with you for beginners step by step how you can create an affiliate account like this one and how you can use free traffic to earn commission as a beginner with affiliate marketing and so much more. I will share with you new methods that you should start using if you want to earn some commission, and let's get started. Okay, so for people who are new to my YouTube channel and they want to start making money with affiliate marketing, so first go to Google, search for Fiverr like this, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, it's super easy. So just come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying a good commission, and this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. Okay, because they are really paying a good commission. It's not like other affiliate marketing programs, they are paying just few cents, but with Fiverr affiliate you can make a lot of money. Okay, so just click over here on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password and account type. Make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and answer next few questions and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates dashboard. Okay, so now I will share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate links that I'm promoting on Pinterest to earn commission. Okay, so what you need to do next, you need to go back to your home page on Fiverr, click on the search over here, okay, and search for photo editing. Okay, search for photo editing. Okay, and here you go, you will be directly in this page over here. I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose one of those sellers. So for example, let me see if we can find a good one here. We have a lot of sellers here, as you can see, level 1, level 2. Let's choose, for example, I will do Adobe Photoshop editing like this one. This one is looking really good. He has 5-star, level 2 seller, a lot of reviews. This service starting from $25. Okay, I will click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this. This seller has 9 orders in queue. As you can see, people keep coming back and you can see how many reviews this seller has. Okay, this is the orders that this seller sold. That's really a lot of people are buying this service. Okay, so it's already working, already people are buying this service, as you can see over here. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to copy this seller profile link, okay, like this, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Okay, like this. Let me show you. Click over here. You have, if you click over here, you have Fiverr affiliate, you have your dashboard, you have marketing tools, reports, payments, postback. Click on marketing tools. click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save. Here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. It's super easy. So what you need to do next is you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Okay, so let's go to Pinterest. So for people who don't have Pinterest account, just go to Google, search for Pinterest. It's super easy, guys, and you just need to use your email address to sign up, and make sure to open business account, not personal account. We need Pinterest business account. Okay, so why I choose to promote my affiliate links on Pinterest? Because guys, Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors. Okay, you can get so much traffic from Pinterest. Every single day, millions of people searching for specific services, products using Pinterest. Okay, so guys, don't sleep on Pinterest. Pinterest has a lot of traffic, millions of you can get so much traffic. Okay, anyway, after you finish your sign up process, click over here on home feed, click on create pin. You will be directly in this page. Go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr. This seller has video. Let's check. That's really good. His video over here showing, explaining his service to his customers. Okay, that's really good. Okay, so what you will do next, you will double click on the video, click on save video. Okay, you need to save this video to your laptop. Okay, I'm gonna name it like photo editing. Okay, click on save and your video will be saved to your laptop. Okay, what you will do next, you will go back to Pinterest, click over here and upload this video to your Pinterest account. Okay, like this, open, and here you go. Your video will be uploaded to your Pinterest account like this. You need title and you need description. Go back to this seller profile page, okay, and copy his title. Okay, like this. You are just an affiliate marketer, you can use this information, that's fine. Okay, that's what I do. Put this title here, description. Go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, you have here about this gig. This is his description. You can copy this part. I will copy just this part to show you guys, like this. I will go to Pinterest and I will put this description here. Scroll down, you need to put here your affiliate link. So go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Okay, so for you guys, if you have new Fiverr affiliate account, you can see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan. I have old Fiverr affiliate account, that's why I'm still getting this option here, Fiverr CPA old plan. So but for you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Okay, you can copy your affiliate link from here, it's almost the same. Okay, and go back to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here. Click on choose a board. Okay, and if you have a new account, click on create a board and you just need to give it a name and that's it. Okay, and you can create as many as you want. Scroll down, you need to put here tags, okay, or keywords. Go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, keep scrolling down until you see this one, related tags. Okay, and copy those keywords. I will copy this one like this. I will put this keyword here. I will go back to this seller profile page. I will copy this one. Make sure to copy all those keywords. Okay, those keywords are very important for people who just started. I will copy this one over here and I will put this keyword here like this, and after you finish, click on publish, and here you go, your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest. It's super easy, guys. Okay, here you go. As you can see, your affiliate link will be published like this. This is your video explaining your affiliate service, okay, to people who want to edit their pictures. Okay, it's really good. The video can video is really better, guys. If you guys want to start promoting affiliate links, choose people who has videos, okay, because video can get a good conversion rate. Okay, video can people, if they watch video, let me explain. For example, if people watch a video about a service, they can get more information and they can see what they will get. Okay, it's not like pictures. Okay, so, and that's it. That's how you can promote your affiliate links on Pinterest. It's super easy, guys. Okay, this will be your video, this is your title, and this is your affiliate link. So I'm not for the commission, guys, for this commission, I'm not just using Pinterest. Okay, Pinterest is not only my traffic source that I'm using. I'm using YouTube, I'm using Facebook groups, I'm using Twitter, I'm using Instagram, Quora, and so much more. And I already shared all those methods in my YouTube channel. Feel free to check it out if you are interested to make some money with affiliate marketing. Okay, and that's it. And if you have a new Pinterest account, make sure to promote just between 1 and 2 affiliate links per day. If you start promoting a lot of affiliate links per day, your account will get banned. And for me, I have old Pinterest account that I'm using, so I'm not getting any issue with like those problems, because I have old account. Okay, and for you, of course, if you also have an old Pinterest account, that's fine. You can promote between 3 and 5 affiliate links per day. That's all fine. Okay, and that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.